Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review and show you how to use this iHealth blood pressure monitor. So the first thing you're going to do when you get it out of the box, you do have to install 4 AAA batteries. They alternate, make sure exactly how they go. Then you're going to insert this tube right here. You just press it in all the way. Then we're going to set the time and date. Okay, so in order to set the date and the time, you will have to connect it to an app. You're going to need the There's what it looks like. Now, you don't need to set the date and the time to use it. That's just if you want to remember when it's got a memory in it, and that way it'll know what date and time it took those. And just use this without setting the memory or even connecting it to an app. Okay, so you do have to log in with a username and password or create one, and it does want your birthday. Okay, so we want to put this in Bluetooth pairing mode. Flashing, just press the M once. We're going to come over here, select a new device. Pressure monitors. And this is the track. And next, you got to give it permissions. Press the M button on the blood pressure monitor. Try it again. Next, so yeah, we already did the M. It's flashing. Hit next. There's my device. It is connected. Okay, the device is connected. Now, as soon as I connected it, come up with the right date and time. Looks like it's in military time. The Bluetooth light is steady. Okay, so let's connect the cuff. It's very easy. Now you're going to look at this artery mark, and the tubing is going to come like straight down your arm. So you want to be sitting in a normal, comfortable chair. Again, the tubing center of your elbow. The artery mark, you're going to be to the right, wherever that artery is. It's very simple. You're just going to pull the Velcro it. Now, before I get it too tight, I like to be able to kind of turn it, and I can really position that on that artery. Now, you don't want it extremely tight because it is going to inflate. It seems like it's got a nice little handle here. Now, if it's not on already, turn it on, but just hit the start button. And so just breathe normally. Don't breathe real heavy, just breathe normally, but don't kind of hold your breath. That will make it read high also. And you're supposed to check your reading the same time every day. This is like a countdown, the progress of the blood pressure. Now this one may be off because I'm talking and kind of moving. Yeah, it's a little elevated. Now it's flashing yellow. That's because it's elevated. And then you have a chart here. So we can see it. Oh, it's either this number is between 85 and 90, or this number is between 130 and 139. Normal should be between 120 and 129 and 80 and 84. Now you can sync these to your smartphone and display them on your smartphone also. But once you sync them from this device to like your iPhone or something, you lose them off of this. So you won't be able to see them on here. And it's got, like I say, it's turned off. You come up here. I'm going to do a real quick another blood pressure. You're not supposed to do them back to back like this, but press the button again. Shows you what your last one was really quick, and then it does another reading. Okay, so now I've got 3 readings, and I haven't transferred them yet to the iPhone or tablet. Now when it's off, turn it off. If I press this, it'll give me an average. It says it has 3 readings. This can be a little tricky. No, don't start it. With it off, press that twice. Yeah, I have found that to be a little tricky. So with it off, if you press that button twice really quick, that's the average. You'll see the average down here. Now, if I press this button again, it should walk you through all 3 that it is memorized. Now, let's go ahead and hit this sync data. It's connected. Now, this little thing here says it's syncing it over, upload readings, and click OK. 6 readings successfully synced. So now I can go over here, history, and there's all of the readings. And what I like about this is a very nice cuff. It is very big. I've got kind of a bigger arm, and it goes on there really quick. The Velcro in the doctor's office almost. It just looks really nice. I love that it has a diagram of exactly where to put it on your arm, and it's on the cuff. Now it does talk about irregular heartbeat. It says the IHB symbol will be displayed blinking if IHB is detected. So it does have a way that you can share this. Looks like you can send it via email. Type in their email address. It's to your email, and you can do CSV or a PDF. So I opened up the email. There's what the email looks like. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.